everyone, my name is Julie and I'm the Fitness and Wellness Program Assistant for University Recreation housed at Brownsville. And for today's Motivational Eats, I'm going to show you how to make a green protein smoothie. Let me go ahead and show you some of the ingredients that I'm using for today. So here we have 1 cup of almond milk. Of course, if you don't have almond milk, go ahead and use whole milk, 2%, or sometimes you can use coconut milk or just water, it's up to you. I have dried oats, 1/4 cup of it. I have 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. If you don't have vanilla flavored, you can go ahead and use chocolate. Here we have 1 tablespoon of almond butter. Of course, if you don't have almond butter, go ahead and use regular peanut butter, or I recently actually discovered cashew butter, which is really good. Right here we have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of honey, a handful of spinach. Of course, if you don't have spinach, go ahead and use kale, or you can just use both kale and spinach. It's really up to you. And then we have 1 whole banana. All right, let's go ahead and put all of our ingredients together in our blender. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So today I'm going to use my personal blender. If you don't have a personal blender, go ahead and use any blender you have available in your kitchen. So let's go ahead and put all of these ingredients together. Okay, to start off, I'm going to put the 1 cup of almond milk. Of course, if you don't have almond milk, go ahead and use whole milk or 2%. Now the 1/4 cup of oats. The protein powder. We have the almond butter. Again, you can use regular peanut butter, whatever you have in your kitchen. Now the vanilla extract. The honey. Of course, you guys can skip the honey part. It's up to you. Now the handful of greens. And the banana. For the final product, I like to use between 2 to 3 ice cubes. For the final product, I like to use 2 to 3 ice cubes. Now let's top it off and start to blend.